Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Ridgee. Ridgee is an app produced by Rudy Rudra, and it is a technology that helps marketers to be a cut above the rest and automate their Instagram marketing campaigns with no monthly fees ever. So guys, before I go any further, kindly click the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button down below. And also, as usual, I shall be adding my awesome bonuses today once you grab through the link that is also in the description box below. All right guys, I'm going to take you guys to the to some of the benefits that Rudy is saying that you will get by using this app. So this is actually the sales page, so let's take a look at what he is saying about this app called Ridgee. So it says it's the world's first revolutionary Instagram marketing automation app for a low one-time price. It is 100% newbie friendly, zero tech or marketing skills needed, no monthly fees required. And these are the features of this app. So it says first to market Instagram marketing automation technology, like I said earlier, and instantly you tap into 1 billion plus Instagram users worldwide. Automate your Instagram marketing campaigns like a pro and instantly tap into its 5% buy ready overall internet traffic hands down. And you also drive real buyers and convert them to lifetime customers. Perfect for beginners, no techie stuff included. Get started easily with step-by-step video tutorials, and also you have 30-day money-back guarantee. So in other words, it's saying that even if you purchase this app today and it happens that it didn't really work as you expected it, that you be rest assured he is going to refund you your money back, provided it's within the 30 days of purchase. All right guys, I'm going to take you guys to this is what some of the users of this app, the users, these are the real users, what they are saying. They are going crazy about this app. So this is Rihanna. She's saying that Ridgee is fast, easy to use, and complete value for money. I have been using it for my traffic campaigns, and trust me, I'm getting floods of audience to my pages. Don't miss out on this one. Don't miss out on this one at any cost. And Mark is saying that Ridgee is fresh and really amazing. I've been a part of this online marketing space since the last 6 years, but only a few of the products catch my attention. This one's surely gonna rock the market. Willing to invest in something that is capable of giving real results? Don't miss out on AutoTube, folks. All right guys, and like I said earlier, you only need 3 steps to deploy this app. The first one, of course, is after you must have purchased, you log in and then you create your campaigns, and voila, you drive traffic. Okay, now and this is actually from the decks of Rudy, the guy that put this app together. So I'm going to take you guys down a little bit, to show you the bonuses that Rudy has added to this pack once you grab. And also don't forget, like I said earlier, I also have my 5 awesome bonuses that is included once you grab through my link that is in the description box below. You need to do is to click on that link and then it takes you to my bonus page. So guys, even if it's just the front end that you're purchasing today, my 5 bonuses shall be added, as well as the 5 bonuses that Rudy has added. And there you go. These are the bonuses that he has added, 5 of them, and it is worth $3,658. So the first one is a HD video downloader. Second bonus is an instant screen recording software. The third one is $100 day income system. The fourth bonus is YouTube traffic case study. And then the fifth one is 100 plus premium themes and plugins. And like I said earlier, this is the worth of the package, the bonuses that he has included. And then speaking of bonuses, guys, let me take you quickly to my own awesome bonuses as well. The first one is worth $427.95, and you have access to timeless traffic. Second bonus is you have a is a hack that shows you how you can build your Facebook following really fast. And then the worth is $46.95, and then the third one is $344.95, and you build is also a hack that teaches you how to build your first website in 3 easy steps. The fourth one is worth $267, and it is of course licensed rights to the lockdown formula. And then the fifth bonus is access to all vendor bonuses, and is worth $197, guys. So even if it's just the front end that you guys are purchasing today, you have access to 10 awesome bonuses, 5 of mine and 5 of Rudy's. And then speaking of just the front end, let me take you guys to the prices and the upsells. So about the front end is just worth $12. So with $12 you have all these awesome bonuses added today. And with that front end, you have access to the software as well as the training modules. But if you upgrade to Upsell 1, which is the Ridgee Unlimited, is $27. So pretty much it unlocks features to get max unlimited traffic, sales, and profits with just the push of a button. And then the second upsell, which is the done for you, is $197. So you upgrade to get 500% more traffic, sales, and profits without any expensive fees or doing anything yourself. The third upsell, which is the Ridgee Pro, is $37. So you get 300% more traffic, sales faster and easier with zero tech hassles ever. The fourth upsell, which is the exclusive, is worth $997. And of course, you have the setup done for you funnel, integration with autoresponder, and also 24/7 support system. The fifth upsell, which is the reseller right, is $37. So with that, you can generate a cool monthly income in the next 24 hours. So guys, I have shown you the sales page, I have shown you the my bonuses, and also the prices and upsells. I'm going to take you guys quickly to the demo video. Let's see how this really looks like. So once you log in, this is the dashboard, this is the members area, and you get to see the total post, the completed post, the image post, and then the video post. So you can, on the left hand side, underneath the dashboard, you can also see other options there, like the import account, the posting tools. So you see the Instagram posting, the calendar, you put the post calendar, comment automation tools like the reply and comment templates. Also, you can create or report your campaigns and then do the hashtag. So basically, that's what this is all about. There isn't anything that complicated right here. As you can see, once these are not clickable because nothing has been posted yet, but let's see how to create. Click on it. Okay, this is the way it looks like. And then let's see the reply template. Okay, this is the way the reply template looks. You can also create new one, and then you see comment automation and all that. Show the actions, the template name also. All right guys, basically that's all I got to show you guys today. If this sounds like something you like, or you know someone that this will be of help to, do not forget to click the share button down below. And also guys, to grab my bonuses today, all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below, and it brings you to my page like I showed you guys earlier. And if you signed in through JVZoo or Warrior Plus, this is what you see. To have my bonuses included automatically, click on the blue button right there where it says access affiliate bonus. My bonuses shall automatically be added. If it is through JVZoo, where the red arrow is pointed, click on the box there and my bonuses shall be added. Guys, the clock is ticking. And I am assuring you that if you're purchasing through my link within this time frame, my bonuses shall be added. But once this timer runs out to 00, is not a guarantee anymore. So the earlier, the better, guys. And I really appreciate you guys sticking with me and watching my videos, subscribing, and then sharing. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much, and you stay safe. Bye.